Alright, this is part 2. We're at the library. Hopefully they don't act like tyrants here. Now this is nice. Oh yeah. Cool. Awesome. Wonder what the history is on this place. Cool. It's a nice fireplace. There's no picture. Do you guys work here? No. Oh, I like history. I was wanting to know the history of this building.
I do not.
Like how old it is, when it was built. I do that a lot.
The folks at the front desk would likely be able to tell you some information.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
This place is beautiful, I know that. I don't see no restricted signs, so we're good. Wow, this is big. What is this? It's the kids' area. I'm not going there. Huh. What is that little one? Cool. Cool. Let's do a bowling after the incident at the City Hall. Wow, these are nice stairs. Okay, that's the other side. You work here?
No, I wish I did, but no.
You know the history, like when this place was built, by chance?
No, I don't. I wish my husband was here. He would know that. I know it's got the, it's like a Frank Lloyd Wright thing, right?
What is that?
Frank Lloyd Wright was a famous architect.
Oh, really?
And this is a building that has his designs to it, I think.
Yeah.
You
It is beautiful. No, this is the only one.
Okay, but like you can look it up because it's in the archives of the
I
library.
will. It'll be on camera.
Did you go up to the children's department?
No, I went back down because I'm recording.
Okay, the second floor, Barb, who's here,
Yeah.
the lady librarian, longer gray hair.
I've never been here, so I don't know where to go. I'm just exploring.
Go up to the second floor.
Okay.
The librarian up there will be able to give you the history. She's been here for 40 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So go to the second floor when you get a chance.
Okay, I will.
Beautiful.
I'm just looking. I know. And then these stair designs. That's what I do. I do photography.
I don't think stuff like with the brass and stuff anymore.
Yeah.
I know the original building, the inside part. There's a guy upstairs that may know too. But there's 2 librarians upstairs, a guy and a woman that will be able to help you.
Okay, well, thank you.
Sure.
Board room. Wow, this goes for miles. Yeah, again, there ain't no signs, so. Yeah.
take the elevator too.
Yeah. So you said the very
Second floor, just go in there and hit 2.
two?
And it'll drop right out of the children's department.
Okay.
And
And
the library desk.
do you support the Constitution?
Honey,
That's what I'm doing.
Is that what you're doing?
First Amendment. I was over at the city hall, and I'm always nice in my videos. I do history, but also I audit the government. And I'm not like most auditors where I go in there and demand stuff. But I went to the city hall, and that sheriff in there, wow, acted like a tyrant. That's what we call them. First, he wouldn't, I don't know, he was just rude. He had my blood boiling. First, he told me that I didn't have rights, kind of, like saying, you can't come into this public building. I said, but it is a public building. He said, yeah, it is, but you ain't coming in. And I was like, why? We the people own it. All right, good day. Oh, my YouTube channel is Ohio Transparency Audits. If you're into that stuff. If you're not, give me a dislike. But if you are, like it. It helps. Okay, those ones don't stop. These must be really old. 2, you said?
Yeah, 2.
Okay. This is the elevator. Yeah, we're going back to that city hall sometime. That was uncalled for. Wrong floor. Yeah, I'm not going to the children's area. It's alright. I'll find the history on YouTube. Alright. Now we can go to the exit. Excuse me.
Yep.
Would you happen to know the history about this place? Like how old it is? When it was built?
I think it was built in 1906. It's a Carnegie Library.
Oh, okay.
Can't tell you much other than that.
Okay, that's what I was finding. This is a very beautiful library. I've been to a couple, but some are just little. This one's big. I mean, I got lost. All right, thank you, sir. Have a good one. All right, now we're heading to the sheriff's office to put a complaint on Tyrant. See you for part 3.